acapella freestyle. As I look into my arms, can you feel my heart? I do know I want to spark the fire that's rising. I knew since the one beginning, as I send my trance through your ears listening. I knew as your eyes stare deep into the lens behind my corny eyes, I looked into the door that was opening for you, for the journey as you chose to pass the avenues. I knew I would take you in trance only because I loved you. I knew my muse inspired me to call beneath the night for you, I knew, as my heart rise beneath the fires that had felt from your core behind. I knew you were glistening. I knew through the joy as you experience everything that I want to send within. You were falling down ever harder for me. I fell down deep to my heart's on my sleeve. I will pour it for you. I knew, I don't care who hears me. Everybody here needs to know I cherish everything. You sent a spark beneath my lane. I know I feel everything through your core as you send through the airs I send. You were flying with me, baby. Can you sense when I chose you, my baby? It was when you laughed ever harder. Why? I knew your heart was bigger than anything I've ever experienced from no other. Why? I wanted you till the end since the beginning. I want you towards the giving in, since I knew you were there listening through my core. I knew my energy is sent only for you. I feel the giving air through your heart. I feel the giving start of me rising up your blood. I know where you are. You are there, ever looking up and looking up. Well, let me pull your hair ever lighter from the fingertips as I touch you. Baby, lean back as I kiss you. I remember through that moment in time when we simply had the world spinning, when we sent everything, that energy back and forth as I gave you one thing and you gave me everything that I am receiving. One thing beneath my heart is now missing. You fill it up, baby dear. You are there for my love to stop. Never, I'm always gonna be there, my baby. So I knew as I held you, I knew you were mine since the beginning. I send you over entranced with my. I knew why you would simply the dime I wanted. In the end, for you are my perfect 10, but you remain to say there's no such thing, there's no such thing. Well, it is to me when I look into your eyes. I swear you are there, baby. I can know you are my little honey, baby. For I want to taste your sweetness near me, baby. I knew as I send everything, the one emotion within, the love that I want you to realize will make your hair rise behind. I knew you were there, realizing where I fell down into. I knew you were there with me, baby, too. I knew when you had one eye looking back and forth. It's as if you couldn't stop looking within my eyes. Yeah, I knew you were the given one since the beginning. I knew as I'm the other one. Well, let's make a two. I knew you would be behind. I know you were the given beat behind. I choose. I knew you were the beat in line. I flew. I knew you were the one beat in my as I chose you. I knew you were the one beat in my heart as I lose. I knew you were the one beat in my fine dime. Would you choose? Where would I lose my mind? I knew I'd choose you, my losing rhymes. I knew I would never fall down into and stumble for I lose everything when I don't have you, my lady boo boo boo. As you are ever flying so high behind, I seek your aura. I can feel you behind, ever in flight. No farther would you ever be from my eyes. I know you are there. I knew as my baby boo why you are there. Ooh, so high in the air. Well, let me rest beside as I'm behind you, baby. Would you rock with me like I would feel the fire behind? I know as you shout louder and louder, I love you. I want you from the end since the beginning. I knew you were there, only mine. I want you so nobody can choose to be between. I know it is only you and me since the beginning. For the end is only when we achieve the journey through experience that I knew the desire in men never gonna come for you. I know you only seek one man, and that is looking into you, baby. As I knew since the beginning, in that journey that you want to take through avenues. I knew that the end was with me when I sensed one thing through the experience of me looking deeper, baby. I know I'd be. Baby would only be with me. I knew that my one baby would only want to be with me. I knew my one baby would only want to be with me.